Hello, good morning. How are you today? Oh, that's great. Okay. Today we are going to learn a new topic. Therefore, let's listen the beautiful song.
Oh, now vowels have two sounds each. They don't sound the same. One is short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name. So the short A says apple, and the long A says a acorn. Short E says elephant, and the long E says eagle. The short I says insect, and the long I says island. Let's take a break. Here we go. Short O says ostrich, and the long O says oatmeal. Short U says umbrella, and the long U says unicorn. Vowels have two sounds each. They don't sound the same. One is short, yeah, real short. The other one's long and says its name.
Okay. Did you enjoy the songs? That's great. Perfect. Today we are going to talk about the long vowels. The long vowels. They received this name because their pronunciation is lengthier. For example, a, car, e, hey, oo, do, a, bear, o, for. Examples: boutique, sheep, park, tall, bear. Excellence. Bravo. Perfect. Repeat with me. A, park, or, tall, ill, bear. Excellent. This is evaluation interactive activity. This is activity. Oh, time is over, okay? Let's practice one more time at home. Bye bye, kiss.